Have you ever walked past someone wearing strong perfume, and suddenly you smell it, even from across the room? Or maybe you've watched a tea bag slowly turn clear water into a delicious cup of tea. Believe it or not, you've just witnessed something that happens inside your body's cells every second. It's called diffusion, and it's just one of the amazing processes that keep your cells alive. Let's go microscopic and discover how cells breathe, drink, and balance using two key processes: diffusion and osmosis. Let's start with diffusion. Diffusion is when particles move from a place where there are lots of them to a place where there are fewer of them. Think of it like this. Imagine a crowded room full of people. If someone opens a door to an empty hallway, people naturally start moving out. Why? Because there's more space out there. In diffusion, molecules do the same thing. They spread out to where there's less of them. So if you spray perfume in one corner of the room, the scent molecules spread out and eventually fill the space. No one told them to. They just do it naturally. That's diffusion. Inside your body, oxygen moves from your lungs into your blood using diffusion. Carbon dioxide moves out the same way. Your cells don't need to push the molecules. They just let them move naturally, from high to low concentration. Now, let's meet osmosis. Osmosis is a special kind of diffusion, but it's all about water. In osmosis, water molecules move across a membrane, a thin barrier, from where there's more water to where there's less water. Let's try a simple example. Take a raisin and drop it into a glass of water. Leave it overnight. What happens? The raisin swells up because water moved into it. That's osmosis in action. Your cells are surrounded by membranes. Water is constantly moving in and out, keeping everything balanced. Too much water? The cell swells. Too little? The cell shrinks. Osmosis helps cells stay healthy and hydrated, just like you when you drink water. Let's compare the two. Process what moves, direction example. Diffusion molecules like O2, CO2, perfume, from high to low concentration. Oxygen entering your blood, osmosis, water molecules. From high water to low water, water entering a dry raisin. Both processes are passive, which means the cell doesn't use any energy to make them happen. They're like automatic settings for life. So why are diffusion and osmosis so important? Because without them, cells couldn't get oxygen, waste wouldn't leave your body. Cells would dry out or burst. Plants couldn't absorb water. You couldn't absorb nutrients from your food. These tiny, invisible processes are what keep your body alive, every second of every day. Let's make it stick with a few real-life examples. Spraying air freshener? You're watching diffusion. Soaking cucumbers in salty water to make pickles? Water moves out by osmosis. When a red blood cell is put in pure water, water rushes in by osmosis, and the cell can burst like a balloon. Plants absorbing water through their roots? That's osmosis too. Ready for your cell process challenge? Set up a simple osmosis experiment at home. Take a slice of potato or cucumber. Place one in salt water and one in plain water. Leave them for a few hours. What happens? Which one got floppy? Which one stayed firm? Draw a comic strip or animation showing diffusion and osmosis inside a cell. Or, use real-life examples to explain both processes to a family member or friend. Can you become the cell process master? Let's see. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Because next time on School Subjects Online, we're diving into how cells make energy using photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Until then, stay curious, stay hydrated, and remember, even the tiniest movements inside a cell can keep an entire body alive.